Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So on this video, I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro right here. It's a 128 gig version. It's also the silver one. So be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to the video. Let's check it out. So a quick look at the new box design. They're showcasing the features on the new iPhone 14 Pro. Pretty cool looking box. They went with white this time. And then of course they've got stickers on the box showing that it's never been opened. Very nice box design. Alright, it's that time. We unbox the iPhone 14. Gonna peel off the strips here. It's got two strips on the back of our case here. Peel these off. Look at that, there's our silver iPhone 14 Pro phone. You can see the camera bumps are definitely raised a little higher than my previous phone, which is an iPhone 12 Pro. Right here, so you can definitely see that difference there. Get her all the way out of the case here. Look at that. Very nice. Got a USB-C lightning cable here. USB-C lightning cable. We've got our designed in California packet here, which has our Apple stickers. We should have a couple of Apple logo stickers, instructions maybe. Little pamphlet and instructions. This is to inform users that you no longer need a physical SIM card. Alright, so once again, everything in the box included the iPhone 14 Pro silver, USB-C to lightning charging cable, and an Apple sticker with little instruction pamphlet. There's a sticker and also that which informs you you no longer need the physical SIM card. Quick look at the phone. Look at that beveled edge there. Nice chrome piece on that. Favorite part, peeling off the front. Look at that, there we go. Very nice. Let's power this bad boy on and get it set up. There we go. We'll do the basic setup here really quick. Select your language, select your country or region, quick start, set up manually. This is where it wants to know what network you're on. Enter your network information. So once you've joined your local network with your new phone, depending on which carrier you're using, my carrier says to complete activation, please use another phone to call Verizon. It gives you the Verizon number, and then it just wants to verify a couple of things. So depending on your carrier, you may have to jump through a couple of hoops, and then you can continue your setup. So new features worth a mention with the i14 Pro. First one is the always on display. Second new feature is the 48 megapixel camera. Awesome. Another new feature worth a mention is the 4K recording ability, 24 frames per second, and the free floating gimbal-like feature built right in, the stabilizer. final feature worth a mention is a better chip, which means better processing power. So right now the current price for the iPhone 14 Pro 128 gig is running right around $999. Hopefully you found this video really helpful. Please be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Also, there's a link in the description where you can find this item. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.